welcome back to episode 2. You guys, in this episode, we're going to be taking this out into the real world. So I'm going to show you guys what's actually possible with just the most basic setup with the a6000. It's going to be super easy, super simple. I'm going to have a POV shoot, so join me. And you guys, please follow me. Currently I have 12 whole subscribers. Let's go. I'm super stoked actually. It's really fun. I'm on the road to monetization, so if you guys want to help me, all the money that I earn is going to go into making this camera a beast. It's old. It's really old. Released in 2014. Does 1080p HD. But when it comes to stills, you know what? It actually performs pretty well for what it is. And the kit lens, it's not the sharpest thing you've ever seen, but right here, this obstacle steady shot, OSS. That's gonna help a little bit when it's lower light and you got your shaky hands taking pictures and stuff. But let me give you a few examples. I'm gonna go around and take some shots and show you some stills. Okay, you guys might call me crazy, but honestly, when I'm doing stills, if I need some fast action, I'll go into the scene modes, go to sports action, but if not, I'm gonna go just into auto. I really can't tell a difference between these two, having used them both for a long time. So I just go here, and I'm not shooting raw a lot of time. I'll just have JPEG fine right there, 24M fine. And let's just take a little shot right here, see what happens. We'll zoom in a bit. Take it to center. Boom. Got another one right here. Boom. And I'm not as much worried about taking a long time to take a picture. I mean, look around. Now it's just gorgeous. I'll go in here and see what I can find. Okay, we got a little bit of light left. Take a picture here. Frame it. Just found the cutest little subject. Let's get close. Let's take a picture. You know, I'm a little surprised on the difference in color in some of these photos. And you know what? I was able to get one decent photo of the dandelion. It's a little bit hard to capture videoing and taking a picture at the same time and blowing on it. I'm trying to keep everything steady, but I think I did all right. Kind of surprised me some of the photos this is able to capture, but I'm gonna go through each photo in a little bit and just go over the details so you can see a little bit more depth. Okay, you guys, bear with me. It looks a little different, it might be cropped in, but just looking at the detail this is able to capture really surprised me. When it's in focus, it's gonna capture tack sharp photos. Also, taking a look at the bokeh, it's not bad. It's honestly not bad. This is at 50 millimeters, as open as it can be, 5.6, but it's pretty good. Okay, looking at the wide end here, in a very, very difficult situation. Looking at the shadows, yes, it's kind of not the best. It doesn't have a ton of dynamic range, and putting it in the sun, you're gonna have flares. Not really a sun star, but still capturing some detail. If you're in SoCal, go to So you guys see here, this is Child's Beach. Beautiful, beautiful spot. We got lots of stuff to photograph. After taking my wife out to sushi, we went down here to go on a little date. And I'm gonna share some of the B-roll I took with the a6000. you guys for watching my video. Super stoked to have this updated. I was just looking at my subscriber count, 17 so far. Super fun. Stay tuned. Episode 3 is coming soon. I have some graduation photos I'm going to take for a few different girls here, and yeah, just some fun little projects coming up just with the a6000. I'm thinking about getting a lens, and I'll go over that with you guys. But thanks for watching my video.